Hey guys, it's Corey from Core Survival. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Atomic Bears Survival Bivy. Let's get right into it, guys. What the Survival Bivy is, it's an emergency sleeping bag. It reflects 90% of your body heat. It's tear resistant, reusable, and water and windproof. I think the decoration on the box is pretty cool. Definitely. You can pick this up for $15 on Amazon. So I think that's a pretty fair price for a sleeping bag. But we're about to see exactly how fair it is with just quality wise. So pull my knife out here. Go ahead. Top. Now this is a 86-inch by 31-inch sleeping bag. It weighs 4.5 ounces, so it'd be great for a backpacking trip. Put it in your emergency backpack. So in the box, I'm gonna go ahead and just set this down here for right now. So in the box, it came with this reflective, it looks like a Mylar blanket. Very nice, very nice. It feels pretty durable. And it came with this orange bag here. Looks pretty nice. Alrighty. And I'm pretty sure, or I assume it just slips on in there, just like that. Pull it tight, and you've even got a little whistle on the top of it there, of your bag. It's a little emergency whistle, which is very, very cool. The bag feels very water resistant. I don't see moisture really getting in there, but at the same time, since it's kind of a Mylar blanket, it's not going to absorb any moisture anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of here, and we'll go ahead and unravel this blanket. See exactly what we've got here. We'll see how easy it is to actually put back into the bag itself. Pretty nifty. Kind of held together by some sort of like Mylar tape, like a specially made Mylar tape here on the side. I'm kind of pulling on it. Feels it's kind of having a little bit of give right here on the seam, just a little bit. It's not really meant to be stretched or anything. You're supposed to just get into it. You can see it's like a big old garbage bag. And it's orange, which is very cool, so you could use this as like a reflector or like a big old orange beacon so someone can see you from a distance. Not only that, but the inside has that, Mylar shiny coating. So what you could do is, this doesn't even have to be used as a sleeping bag. What you could do is, if you happen to be lost on the trail or something, you could take strips of this. You can tie it off on a tree, so people can, find you. It's kind of like, flags. You could also turn this into a firewall due to the inside of this. You reflect a lot of that heat back to you. Not only that, but you could even, cut along the seam if you want and make yourself a nice shelter out of it. I've seen a lot of shelters being made out of Mylar bags. Now, I don't know if this is actually made out of Mylar. Let me see here. It does not say. But with every sleeping bag, there is a lifetime warranty. So if anything does go bad with the sleeping bag, I assume that the company will just replace it. So that is very cool. But yeah, I do like the bag. It is very cool. The kind of the little bear logo on the bottom there. But very neat. Very neat. Also, I mean, it's kind of like a windbreak too. I'm gonna go ahead and climb in here. Let's see how durable it is here. How great it is at keeping you warm. Or probably better not to have shoes on when you get in here, but as of right now, with my shoes on, I didn't poke any holes in it or anything like that. As you can see, it fits up over my entire body. See? So I can literally get in, you know, get all covered up like this. And I don't feel like any breeze in here. It's already getting pretty warm. So that's pretty nice, for sure. So not only is, yeah, I mean, it's got plenty of uses. Not only is it a sleeping bag, you could, yeah, build a shelter out of it. Use it as, you know, flags on a trail. You could, you know, keep it as it is. Yeah. Make a firewall, as I said. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I honestly think it's a great product. I don't know about it being really like tear resistant, but just with me getting into it with my shoes on and stuff, it did just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get it back in the bag here. See how easy it is. Twist it maybe a little bit. Get all that excess air out of there. The thing about Mylar blankets too, though, is that they're kind of hard to put back the way it was when you originally had it in the package.
I feel like if you folded it into squares, it might be a little bit better.
Yeah, we'll try that. That's the thing too, though, is when you're in an emergency situation and you need to go, you need to go. So, I mean, you don't really have the time to sit there and get really picky with it and fold every crease. So, I mean, that's, I guess, the only downside about it is that it can be a pain in the butt to put away. That, and it doesn't help the winds blowing either. Alrighty guys, so I managed to get it rolled up tighter, but I needed Kira's help. If you were up by yourself, I really could see it being a big pain in the butt trying to put it back in this bag. The other thing though is I can see other uses for this bag. You can make a survival kit out of it due to this whistle. You technically have an emergency whistle on the outside of it. So you could put, you know, a knife in here, you could put some fire starter, a ferro rod, something like that. And that should, you know, keep you pretty warm. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and see, or not pretty warm, but it'd be a good survival kit, my bad. I'm gonna go ahead and try and stuff this back in here. Alright, you can see it's back in there. Took 2 people. I mean, I found it way easier with 2 people. It probably would have taken me 10 minutes or so to just put it back in here. But when you're on the move, you know, outdoors, that sort of thing, especially in an emergency situation, you kind of want something that you can just pack up quick and go. Same thing with backpacking. Backpacking is the same thing. Like if you're out on the trail hiking or something like that and you're using this, you're gonna want to, you know, pack up quickly so you can get back on the trail and get to your next destination. So, I'm gonna give this 4 stars out of 5. It's not perfect by any means. It is
It's like any Mylar sleeping bag. I do think it is a little bit better than any typical Mylar sleeping bags because it's got the orange. And it's also, you know, taller than I am. So you can get a pretty decent shelter out of it. Not only that, but keep yourself, like your whole entirety of your body warm just by covering it completely. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. I really appreciate that. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys would like to pick this up. Quick shipping on this thing, guys. It took 2 days, 3 days tops to get to my house. It wasn't that bad for shipping at all. So if you guys want to leave a comment, go and leave a comment for me. That'd be great. I do stuff like this every week, or try to do it every week, or as much as I can possible. I do stuff like camping, hiking, fishing, anything outdoors. So if you guys are into that type of thing, go and hit that subscribe button down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in the next video.